Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again. Here for sale today we have this beautiful white 2019 Honda Accord LX sedan. Love this generation Accord. Very beautiful. Extremely well designed. Very powerful, very fun to drive. Lots of great tech. Turbocharged, great fuel economy. Honda just keeps reinventing, getting better and better with age. So, this one's powered by the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo, and they make a couple different engines. They got the 1.5 turbo, they got the 2.0 turbo, depending on which trim you get, and that's kind of a muddled down version of the Civic Type R engine. Very powerful motor. They went with the 1.5 turbo to give you that cheap fuel economy as far as having that turbo kick in, and that CVT transmission to get you those really high, close to 40 miles per gallon on a large sedan numbers. EPA came down and said we need better fuel economy, and these Japanese companies delivered. So alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, we get keyless entry, and we get a nice clean cloth interior, smoke and pet free. This is also a one-owner vehicle, so only one previous owner. And interior is really nice. Glove box storage comes with this nice pattern here, the brushed nickel around the AC vents and around the window switches. We're missing one of our pieces of trim on the sync button there, but it comes with automatic AC and dual climate controls. Also get USB and charging ports, push to start, automatic transmission. We get brake hold, a very nice feature in traffic, electronic rear parking brake, and active econ mode. Nice spacious center console there, rear backup camera, and then just pretty much standard radio for this one. Comes with dual illuminated vanity mirrors. We also get the addition of Bluetooth connectivity. But as you can see, those nice window switches there, really is a nice little touch. Body pinstripe on this one. We got floor mats for this one, factory, and then fold down armrests, dual cup holders. We also get split fold rear seats. Nice spacious back seat too. I mean, it's a very long sedan, so you get that nice space there. And then for the back we have a couple of scratches here on the rear bumper. Same with the front bumper and the lower rocker arms, but nothing real bad. It's all really low, so it's hard to really see it unless you get crouched down. But comes with spare tire, tools, jack. This is also the emergency fuel filler. Since it doesn't have a gas cap, you need a little funnel to put in to reach inside the gas nozzle to fill it up. As you can see, no cap. Capless is pretty standard now. Again, and then another nice feature, a lot of people misplace them on top of the roof of their car filling up, so it is a good thing to now switch to capless. But power windows, dual automatic for front and driver and passenger side, power locks, power mirrors, and then our trunk release down on the door. And then coming behind the driver's side here, we have our trip interior illumination. This is also the Honda Safety Sense suite. And then we have automatic LED headlights as well as high beams, and then we got interval front wipers. Our cruise control, so we get the adaptive cruise control with the lane keep assist and volume, stereo controls, Bluetooth connectivity. So it starts right up, and then we get that nice Honda animation logo there on the stereo. You see our rear backup camera, and you can change through the modes of your view for that. So not touchscreen on the stereo, but as you can see, you can go straight down and you can do like wide angle lens. So very nice feature there as well too. And then we got our stereo. Sounds great. And then our AC, when you make it hotter, it goes red, colder's blue. So again, a really pretty feature there. 139,000 original one-owner miles. We have an original Honda windshield with just one chip in it. But everything's ready to go on this one. It's a total turnkey or push-to-start vehicle now, as we call them. vehicle, and it's a beautiful pearl white color. It's a super reliable Honda Accord sedan, and just look at these beautiful body lines. Just such an excellent design. So you can find this one exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.